It looks like some radishes are ready to harvest. Look at this. This is the purple beet. Oh, it's so cute. Got some spinach over here. These are beet greens, and these will taste very good in salads if you pick them young. I'm very happy with today's harvest. I got a variety of salads, beet greens, spinach, arugula, and a variety of different colored lettuces, and it's a small harvest. But that's how the first harvest always is. It just means that all the other harvests afterwards are gonna be amazing and bountiful.